So today we're gonna start off with the first part of the build, which is we're gonna build the frame of the entire 3D printer. And actually before we start, I've encountered a problem already where I did not order enough screws. Like these are like not enough. These are like actually after I went back to look through the entire BOM, I realized that I need to buy a lot more screws. So that is what I did earlier today. But however, we can still proceed on with the frame assembly because we actually have enough screws here right now. So yeah, we'll just do the frames and let's just get started. So the most important thing about assembling the frame is that it needs to be a square. That is the most important part. It needs to be all 90 degrees so that later on when we assemble everything together, they'll go together perfectly. Okay, so now that we have organized everything, a very important thing that I did before doing this is that I went through the entire manual so I can get a feel of what I'm about to do. And then I also looked through a YouTube video that taught me how to do the blind joint, which is the technique that we'll use for the frame building, and which is the technique that the Voron community recommends to do. Yep, so just start. And then we need 4 M5 T-nuts. However, I don't think these are the right one because I've looked back earlier today and I've realized that these are different than what I need them, even though they're both T-nuts. So I think the last step I need to wait until I get the right ones tomorrow to finish the frame. All right, it's the next day, and now I've got the parts that I need delivered to me. So now we can finish the frame. Okay, so now we have completely finished with the frame. And this is a big step because it means that we got everything started and also all the tools and all the stuff that we bought, at least they work and they can come together. So now, yeah, now the next step is that we'll do the rails and the motion system.